Hello, everyone. Are you looking for the best high-performance aspiradora para Carro, but don't know which one to choose? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the 3 best aspiradora para Carro on the market in 2025. Together, we'll look at their features, pros, cons, and even customer reviews to help you make the best choice. Let's get started. Top 3. Carro Vacuum Cleaner. It's a corded, handheld vacuum made just for cars. And before you roll your eyes about corded, let me tell you why that's actually smart. It plugs right into your 12V car socket, the cigarette lighter. No batteries to charge. Just plug it in and boom, ready to clean. And with its 16.4-foot cord, you can hit every corner of your car, even the trunk, without unplugging and switching sockets. Now about power. This thing pulls 7,000 PA of suction. That's enough to suck up dirt, crumbs, pet hair, sand, and even those mystery fries hiding under your seat. It's got a HEPA filter that grabs all the fine dust too. Great if you've got allergies or just hate that dusty smell. The filters are washable, and you get 2 extra ones in the box. So you're set for a while. It also comes with smart little tools. A crevice nozzle to get in those tight spots, a brush for pet hair and carpet gunk, and an extension tube to clean under seats or deep in cup holders. Oh, and it has a built-in LED light. That's honestly a game changer when you're cleaning under seats or during night drives. What's it like to use? Super light, only 1.7 pounds. You can hold it with one hand, no stress. There's even a storage bag to keep everything together so your trunk doesn't turn into a junkyard. And the dustbin holds up to 0.33 L, which is solid for a car vac. You don't have to empty it every 5 seconds. Any downsides? Well, it's not cordless. So yeah, no walking around the house with it. But for car use, that's not a big deal. In fact, it means no dead batteries ever. Also, it won't match the crazy suction of a full-size home vacuum. But honestly, for what it's built for, it does the job. Think of it as your always-ready car buddy.
What are people saying?
Buyers love how portable it is and how easy it is to use. Some say it's one of the best things they bought all year. A few said they were surprised by the suction, especially for how small it is. And most people really appreciate not needing to hunt for a plug. It's always there, always ready. So, let's recap. The Carro Vacuum Cleaner is compact, powerful enough for daily car messes, comes with smart attachments, and never runs out of battery. If your car sees a lot of crumbs, sand, pet hair, or kid chaos, this might be exactly what you need. Top 2. Cordless Handheld Vacuum. It's a small, cordless vacuum you can use for your car, home, office, or even for pet hair. Super lightweight, just 1.3 pounds. You can hold it with one hand and move it around without breaking a sweat. And because there's no cord, you can take it anywhere, clean the trunk, the back seat, or even your desk without looking for a plug. It's got real power too. The brushless motor goes up to 80,000 RPM. That means it pulls up 16,000 PA of suction, which is pretty strong for a mini vac. It sucks up sand, crumbs, dust, even pet hair without struggling. You've got 2 speeds, so if the mess is light, save battery. If it's heavy, turn up the power. Now, let's talk battery. You get about 25 to 30 minutes of cleaning time. That's more than enough for a quick clean in the car or to tidy up the couch. It charges with USB Type-C, so you can plug it in at home or in your car. Takes about 3.5 hours to charge fully. Heads up though, it won't turn on while charging. That's a safety thing. What about tools? This one comes with all the good stuff. You get a long nozzle for tight spots, a flexible hose for tricky corners, and a brush that's great for fabric and pet hair. Whether you're cleaning the dashboard, under your car seats, or your sofa, there's an attachment for that. Emptying it? Super easy. Just press a button and the dustbin opens. The HEPA filter inside grabs up to 95% of fine dust, and it's washable, so no need to buy new ones all the time. The dustbin holds about 8.7 ounces, so you won't need to stop and empty it every 2 minutes. Let's talk real-world use. People love it because it's compact, quiet, and gets the job done. One buyer said it handled crumbs, hair, and even small stones like a pro. Another said it's their go-to vacuum for both their car and small spaces at home. The portable design and smart accessories really make it stand out. Now, let's be honest, what's not perfect? If you're looking to clean an entire apartment, this isn't it. It's made for quick cleanups and tight spots, not deep cleaning your whole house. Also, while the suction is strong for its size, it's not going to match a full-size vacuum. But that's the trade-off for something this light, cordless, and easy to use. So, let's recap. The Dormsey cordless handheld vacuum is a lightweight, powerful little machine that's perfect for cars, desks, couches, and pet messes. It's easy to use, fast to charge, and has all the tools you need to hit every corner. If you're always fighting crumbs, fur, or random dirt, this could be your new best friend. Top 1. Fantic V8 Apex Car Vacuum. So here's the deal. The Fantic V8 Apex is not your regular car vacuum. First thing you'll notice, it's tiny. We're talking 1.1 pounds. That's like a water bottle. You can hold it with one hand. No cord, no hassle. Just grab it and go. But don't let the size fool you. This thing comes with a motor that hits 19,000 PA of suction. That's strong enough to pull in sand, pet hair, and dust stuck between your seats. It's got 2 modes, Eco and Max. Eco gives you about 40 minutes of cleaning. Max gives you 13 minutes, but at full power. That's more than enough for most cars, unless you're driving a bus. Now, let's talk about the real flex, the accessories. You don't just get a vacuum. You get a full kit. There's a crevice tool for tight spots, a flexible hose, a brush for pet hair, a little cleaning brush, a multi-surface brush, even a couple of blower nozzles. You can vacuum, blow air, inflate stuff, or suck air out. It's basically a 4-in-1 tool. Clean your seats, blow out dust from your keyboard, even inflate a balloon if you want. Charging? Easy. It uses a Type-C cable, so you can charge it in your car, laptop, power bank, whatever's around. It charges up in 2.5 hours, which is pretty quick. Emptying the dust? One button. Pop the lid, dump it, done. No dirty hands. And it's got a HEPA filter that grabs 96% of the fine dust. That's great if you've got allergies or just like to breathe clean air. Now, who is this vacuum really for? If you care about keeping your car clean, you're tired of big clunky vacuums, or you just want something quick for messes around the house or office, this is a good pick. It's also perfect for pet owners. The pet brush actually works on seats and couches. And if you've got kids in the back seat dropping snacks everywhere, even better. Let's hit some real talk. What are the downsides? Well, it's not for cleaning your whole house. It's small. The dustbin holds 120 milliliters, so don't expect to clean your whole garage with it. Also, a few people said the battery doesn't always hit 13 minutes on high, more like 10. Not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind. And then there's the blower tool. Some users say it doesn't lock well. You twist it on, it clicks, but sometimes it slips if you move too much. So if you plan to use it as a blower, just hold it steady or use it carefully. Would have been better with a stronger lock. Also, there's no hard case. You get a soft bag, which is fine, but if you drop it or crush it in your trunk, well, not ideal. One user wraps it in bubble wrap just to be safe. Still, the build quality is solid. The engineering is tight. Feels like a mini Dyson, but cheaper. And it's quiet too, around 75 dB. So it won't scream while you clean. So, what's the final word on the Fantic V8 Apex? It's light, it's powerful, and it's packed with accessories. You get suction, blowing, inflating, and vacuuming in one tool. It's not made for deep house cleaning, but it's perfect for cars, keyboards, sofas, and pet hair. Easy to charge, easy to empty, and small enough to store anywhere. That's it for today. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and availability. Let me know in the comments which of these Aspiradora Para you're thinking of using, or if you already own one of these models. See you in the next video.